So today I will be making rice porridge, otherwise known as chao. And for my ratio, I used half a cup of rice. And so with half a cup of rice, I use this ratio to fill up to the amount of water I should use. And for the liquid, I use half water and then half chicken broth. I used the less sodium version. And I did this because it would dilute the chicken broth because it can be a little strong still. Next, I will add in a dash of hot sesame oil and a dash of fish sauce. And I use these brands. So for the hot sesame oil, for the fish sauce, you can use a tablespoon of this, but I kind of just eyeball it like so. Alright, and like this, you pop it into the rice cooker. Alright, I put it in the rice cooker. I'm gonna close it up. I go to menu, click it until it hits porridge right there. And then I am gonna put cooking. And then we just wait until it's done. Okay, so it just finished and I just opened the top and it looks like this. Now I like it a little mushy, so this is perfect for me. But if you want it to be more runny, you can just add it now. Next step for me is to add my fish. So the fish that I use is called swai. I think that's how you say it, fish. And I'm just gonna cut it diagonally in half an inch size. Then I'm gonna put it in the rice cooker and let it cook for a few minutes in there. Okay, so I cut it into these sizes and then I am gonna pop them into the rice cooker. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump it in. And now I'm just gonna mix it in. And I'm trying to make it go to the bottom. And I do feel that it is a bit too mushy for me, so I am actually gonna add more chicken broth into this, so I would do that now. Okay, so I'm just gonna add more chicken broth to my liking. Okay, that should be good for me. I'm just gonna mix it. And then for this, I am gonna press reset menu and into quick cooking, and just keep it on for maybe 5 or 10 minutes and then stop it because we're not going to cook it for the whole time. We're just trying to cook it enough for the fish to cook. Okay, so it's been a little while, and so this is how it looks like. Got a bit hot, so now it's like this. But just check on the fish and see if it's cooked. And how you can tell is if it's flaky, then it's pretty much cooked. I'm just gonna stir it around a little bit first. And there you have it. And now it's ready to be served. Okay, so now I put the porridge in a bowl. And these will be the toppings I will put on it. So you can either put in the fish sauce, but for this I am gonna put in sriracha just because I would rather have some spice instead. Then I am also gonna use green onions, fried onions, and then this is pretty much dried pork. This just adds a bit more flavor as well. So I am gonna put everything on and we'll be done. Alright, so this is the finished product. I have all my toppings on here and ready to dig in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and I would love to see your creations. Let me know if there are anything I missed or anything I should add next time. And other than that, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.